It's called Kripa Siddhi. They say sadhana siddhi and Kripa Siddhi. Kripa Siddhi comes by Vaishnava or Krishna Kripa or Vaishnava Kripa. Krishna gives Kripa by Lochandan or Vachikadan or Sorididan, from the heart or from his words or from his glance. He gives mercy on the devotees. That's Kripa Siddha. And there's Sadhana Siddha. But what is, as I mentioned, Sadhana Siddha means Kripa Siddha. So the Nectar Devotion, Rupa Goswami is tricking us. He's saying, you can get perfection, you can attain Krishna Prema by Krishna Kripa. Vaishnava Kripa, like Narada Muni got the Vaishnava Kripa and he attained Bhav. He got Vaishnava Kripa. Soharda, it's called Soharda Kripa. The heartfelt wishes of the sages that he served for 4 months in Chaturmasya. They blessed the little boy with knowledge, which his mother forgot. I'm seeing something else, Prahlad. But they blessed him with knowledge and they blessed him with Bhav. It says Bhava Nirjita. He got Bhav by their blessings. He attained perfection. So, Rupa Goswami is telling we can do sadhana. But he's just to give us encouragement. Actually, we do sadhana to get kripa. It's causeless mercy. So he's telling her that Krishna is showing his mercy to someone who is tesham satatayuktanam vajratam pritipurvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam yena mam puyanti te.